Imagine an army of 600,000 soldiers marching into the unknown, only to be decimated not by enemy fire, but by something far more insidious. This was the grim fate of Napoleon's Grande Armée during their ill-fated invasion of Russia in 1812. But what exactly killed them? A recent study published in Current Biology reveals startling clues hidden in the teeth of fallen soldiers, shedding new light on the devastating diseases that hasten their demise. But here's where it gets controversial. While history often romanticizes Napoleon's campaigns, the reality was far from glorious. By 1812, Napoleon was at the peak of his power, controlling most of Europe, and married to Marie-Louise, daughter of the Austrian emperor. Yet his decision to invade Russia marked a turning point, one that would unravel his empire. The Russian campaign, as Nicolas Rascovan, head of the microbial paleogenomics unit at the Pasteur Institute, notes, was probably the beginning of the end. Napoleon's army, despite its size, was ill-prepared for the harsh Russian winter. The retreat from Moscow became a nightmare of cold, hunger, and disease. They started to die of cold, hunger, and infectious diseases. Rascovan explains, hundreds of thousands perished, leaving behind mass graves like the one discovered in Vilnius, Lithuania in 2001. This site, containing the remains of 2,000 to 3,000 soldiers, became a treasure trove for scientists seeking to understand the true causes of their deaths. And this is the part most people miss. While typhus and trench fever have long been suspected, advancements in molecular techniques allowed researchers to uncover two unexpected pathogens: bacteria causing paratyphoid fever and relapsing fever, a disease transmitted by body lice. These findings, based on DNA extracted from soldiers' teeth, paint a grim picture of the microbial onslaught they faced. It's like doing a puzzle, Rascovan says, describing the process of identifying pathogens from fragmented ancient DNA. Michaela Binder, a bioarchaeologist, emphasizes the harsh realities of war. For some of them, death in battle would have been a relief. The soldiers' remains tell a story of lifelong malnutrition, broken feet from relentless marching, and bodies ravaged by disease. Their bones tell a story of hardship, Binder adds. A bold interpretation to spark debate. Could these findings challenge our understanding of military history? Leslie Quaid, a paleopathologist, believes studying past diseases can help us anticipate modern pathogens. But here's a thought. If Napoleon had known the true extent of the health risks his army faced, would he have still marched on Russia? Or is this simply hindsight bias? Weigh in below. What do you think? This research not only reconstructs a bloody chapter of history, but also reminds us of war's true cost. Beyond the shiny armor and heroic paintings, the human remains reveal a far darker reality. As we uncover more about the past, we're forced to confront the ugly truths that history books often gloss over. What lessons can we learn from Napoleon's tragic campaign? Share your thoughts in the comments.